Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy it home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making scrambled pancakes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pancake mix, confectioner sugar, pancake syrup, and vanilla extract. You need 1 teaspoon. For our pancake mix, we're going to follow the instructions on the back of our box. So we're going to use 1 cup of pancake mix and 1/2 cup of water. And I'll also be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you want to get a bowl, and we're going to put our pancake mix in. We're also going to add in our 1/2 cup of water and also our vanilla extract. And we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. Next, we're going to get a pan, and you can add some non-stick cooking spray or some butter, and you're going to let that melt and come to temperature. Once it has melted, we're going to pour in our pancake mix. Once you see the little bubbles starting to form, we're just going to start to pull it in and scramble it. Once it's scrambled, you can leave it in the pan a little longer so it can get a little crispy. Okay guys, they're done now, so I'm just going to drizzle some syrup over top. And now I have my confectioner sugar, and I'm just going to sip some over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our scrambled pancakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?